Hi viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Anchor CMS on CentOS 7. Anchor is a free and open source content management system. It is lightweight and ultra simple blogging system. It is written in PHP and uses MySQL, and then it is used for markdown support and custom fields, then i18n compatibility and many more. Okay, now let us see how to install Anchor CMS on CentOS 7. Before starting your installation, you have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 5.6. First of all, we have to download the Anchor CMS package using by wget command. Hit enter. Now download is going on. The download is complete now. Then we have to list out this directory. This is a zip format, so we have to extract this directory using by unzip command. Now again we have to list out this directory. Now we have to rename the extracted directory. Now move the Anchor directory into the /var/ww/html directory. Now go to HTML directory. Here we have to list out this directory. Now we have to change ownership and permission for the Anchor directory. Give request only. Now we have to configure the virtual host for Anchor CMS. So go to conf.d. Here we have to create one empty file named anchor.conf using the Vim editor. Change insert mode, then add the following lines, then save and quit the file. Then we have to restart our Apache server. Now we have to download the composer using the curl command. Now download is going on. After downloading, we have to move the file into the /user/local/bin using the move command. Then go to Anchor directory. Here we have to install the composer using the following this command. Now installation going on. After installation, we have to enter to the host2 file. Change insert mode. Here we have to give your local IP. Then give your domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally again we have to restart our Apache server. After restarting our Apache server, we have to open the browser. Here we have to give local IP or domain name. Here I have to give domain name. Here it will show Anchor installation. So first of all we have to give run the installer. Here it will show language and time zone setting. So we have to select our language and time zone. Then we have to click next step. Here it will show database setting. So we have to fill the database details. First of all, we have to give database username, then password, then scroll down. Here we have to give database name. After filling the details, we have to click next step. Here it will show site setting. So we have to fill the site details. Then scroll down. Then select our path. Then we have to click next step. Then here it will show admin user setting. So we have to fill the admin credential. Username always admin. Then give email address. Then password. After filling the details, we have to click complete. Here it will show the installation is complete now. If you want login your admin page, click here. Here it will show the login page of Anchor CMS. So we have to give username and password. Then we have to click login. If you want new version, click download now. Now I will give upgrade later. Here it will show admin dashboard of Anchor CMS. Now you can able to using this CMS application. That's all about for installation of Anchor CMS. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel LinuxHelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.